In 1972, my dad would have been about 14 years old, and my Uncle Dick would have been about 16 years old. So after casing the DNR office out and realizing that it was locked up tighter than Fort Knox, their words, they settled for the next best thing, which was to burn a DNR building down with the equipment in it. At the time, the building was estimated to be worth about $30,000. Keep in mind inflation, what $30,000 would buy you back in 1972. Quite a bit more than it does today. These are pretty typical activities for them growing up. 14-year-old kid and a 16-year-old kid driving over from Wadena, Fergus Falls to burn a building down.